Hey viewers, what's up? This is Sajidz and you're watching ThinkCoder. So here in this video I'm going to talking with about how you can create this type of scroll on animation. Here whenever you will be scroll, this will be appeared, and here guys it looks like that, and here guys it awesome, and here it will not do for the single time. Whenever you do it, that time it will animation it, and here it will be loaded there. So how you can do it, to know about that you need to watch this video from the first to the last. Before starting that, a request, if you are not already the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if it is still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video with me. Okay guys, here first of all you need to go to in this link. I'll give you that link in the description below, so that from here you can download it. So after that you need to go to the very down to the below, and from here you need to download the script from here. And after that, here you will get a downloadable file, and here you will be open it there, and here this is the file will be AOS master 1 zip. So from here I will extract this file here, and here you will get those file in. So here this is the AOS master file. So from here go to on this demo, and this is the simple page, and here you will get all those demo one by one here, and here you can see that all those demo are there. So from here we can do it. So for that, first of all go to on this CSS. Here you will get some CSS, these are not measure. So from here we need something like go to this dist, and from here we will need this aos.js, this file. So copy this file, and here we will open another account. Here this is my folder, and here I will add this. So as per you know that here we will use here as a JS, so here we need a jQuery library file. So here this is the jQuery 3 library file. I'll give you that jQuery 3 library files downloadable extension, so from here you can also download it. So I've already opened my this index.html with our text editor, and here I make it the HTML file with AOS. So make the title as you want. So here we will create some style sheets are there. So here we make it the internal style sheet. So here we will do it from here. Now right here we will do something more from here. Here we will take the wrapper, something like the topper wrapper. So here I take this as a topper wrapper, and here guys it's my own class, and they have no any force for you. So here you can take it as a sajidz top class. So I just take it as a sajidz top class. So here for you understand that here I take it for a formality. Now make a width of 100%, and the height I will take with the height of at least 600 pixels, and make a background with this 27 AE60. This is my casualty. So here we will take some divs for here. So here those divs will be like that. Here take a div with this class animatable, 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 and here this will be, here we will make some animation with this. So we will stylize those by here. So here this will be, I will take this with 33% or 33.33%, and here make it with the height of, as I take the height with 200 pixels, and the background it will take a background of at least make a red, and here it will be display here in the inline block. So here I take it for a formality purpose. So here we will duplicate those for more than, here I take 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and here we take this again and this class, so that here we'll get some more space after this. So go to on this and check it whether it works or not. So here we can see that here these are working. So here I just take an action, call this star, make this here, so that for everything this will be margin and the padding will be 0, so that it will be really easy for you guys to work on. So I just take it, and here you can see that there's all the classes are there. So I just want to make this not display float, and here I just make it as a float so that it will work clearly and properly. And here there have some mistakes, and here I take another this class so that it will be fill up there one by one, but there have some problem because I don't take a overflow class. So here I make it animatable wrapper, and here this class are only for formality purpose so that you can got it properly. So for that reason I take those classes. So make this width as 100% and the height of auto, and the overflow will be hidden. So here we are, you can see that all the classes are there, but here for your kind information I just make it and make the margin bottom will be here like that, or I make this as a 10 pixels so that here all the margin will be in the 10 pixels, but here I have some mistakes by me. So make this margin right with this as 1 pixels so that it will be differentiated between this. So here you can see that this is ready for me to get the work done. So here from we will do this here on this animated from here. So from here we will add these jQuery classes here. So here make this script as here pt script, and here make this script with src. With first of all we will add the jQuery 3.main.js, and then we will add this aos.js. Now our task is already done. So from here guys we will go to on this demo section, and from here we will open this sample.js where we will get all the documentation by which we will do it. So here you can get these here in every div where you want to add this animation. Here you will get this another attribute, this is the data AOS, it will be fade up. So if I take this fade up here in this first animatable, that time what it will be. So refresh it, but here it doesn't work because I have missed some CSS files. So go to on this CSS, and here you will get some CSS too. Go to on this dist, and here this is the aos.css. So from here I need to also take up these CSS files too here so that it will work. So go to on this index.html, and here in the top I need to add this link with this aos.css. Now it will be must be work, but still now it doesn't work because we miss a jQuery script file from here. So here this is a line, so we need to take this aos.init easy in out sign. So here I need to copy this and paste out this instant after this script. We can take this script by making it with a different file so that it will be make more differentiate, but here I take it in this place so that it will work for me perfectly. So here it is. Now it must have to be work for me. So here whenever I scroll it, it comes. So I make it more so that it will work. Now make it 800 so that whenever I scroll it, it comes. And here guys you can see that here it comes with fade up. So here I have a lot of animation styles like fade up, fade in, fade on, fade down. These are. Now if you want to add this fade down here in this index, it will work as a fade down too. So now make it, and whenever it comes you can see it. And they have a lot of animation styles. So from here you can do those from here so that it will work, and you can also apply those one by one wherever you want. So here guys you can see it works, and here it not only work for the single time but also work for the multiple times after loading it. So here whenever you go to those, it will works. So here guys, for that reason I think it will be really interesting for me, and guys you can also use it. Now guys, after watching my this video, if you think that this will be really interesting and it will maybe helpful for you, at that time I request you, please give a like that video, comment me below on this video, share this video with your friends. So guys, no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.